So I'm about to have one of my PRP scalp treatments, which is really helping my hair grow. So watch my face, because this is going to be a pain-free procedure. So far so good. Shannon has such a good technique. So what's happened is they've taken a good amount of my blood and they've spun it and processed it to get the platelet-rich fraction called PRP. And that is what's being now injected back into my scalp to provide the growth factors that stimulate better hair growth, and it can help both men and women who are losing their hair for whatever reason to grow better hair, to grow more hair. It can help with scalp conditions such as lichen planopilaris. It can help with other scalp conditions like chronic fungal infections, and even some of the conditions that are more serious, like the early onset of frontal fibrosing hair conditions that can happen in women. So if you're interested in improving your hair or helping hair regrow, or you're losing hair, either a male or a woman, come and see us about our PRP treatments and all the other treatments that we do for hair loss.